Hey guys, I'm Shehan from Scala Studios, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made this package design. Let's roll intro. Before I start anything, I always like to do a little bit of research. So the best place in the internet for you to find inspiration for design material is Pinterest. So I scrolled through Pinterest. So while I was going through Pinterest, I saved a bunch of images which were similar to what I was going for, the look. And then I jumped into Photoshop, downloaded a picture of some lemons, changed the background red, made the lemons layer black and white, duplicated it, masked it, changed the blend mode. You guys can slow the video down and watch how I change the color of those oranges. I use my own brand name Skylar for this design, and I didn't want to change the type. I just left it as it is because I felt pretty smooth and good. So I duplicated the image and dropped the shadow down. Put up some labels from Google, and I downloaded some random text from Google and pasted it. This should be legit details. I changed the font to Gotham. I played around with the font a bit, tried to change the colors, the weight. And I also wanted to show the flavor, and I wasn't really sure where to put the flavor, so I was playing with it a bit, and finally decided to put it over there. Download a PNG of this image, nutrition facts, and it was all white, so I had to change the blend mode. Aligned it all. I wasn't really sure whether I should keep it vertically or horizontally. Then I kept rotating and playing with it a little bit more. Then I finally decided to go with what I already had, and I left it like that. So the design might look pretty decent if I say so myself, but there's 3 mistakes that are purposely made so that I can ask you guys to comment on the mistakes. So there are 3 mistakes. If you guys find those mistakes, please leave a comment below, and I'll show you guys what those mistakes are in the next video and explain you guys how important those tiny details are in design, package design to be specific. So yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thanks guys, see you.